Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install iOS 17 Developer Beta. Normally, developer betas are available for $100 per year, but in this video I'll show you how to do it for free. This year, Apple released it for free. By using this method you can install it. As you know, recently WWDC, iOS 17, macOS Sonoma, and other features were announced. You can go to their website and see all the new features included with iOS 17. At the end of the video, I'll show you some of the new features, and first, the process on how to install it. To start with the installation, go to developer.apple.com. Here we can sign up for a developer account for free, which will give us access to developer beta. In the top left corner, click it and then click on Account. Here you'll be prompted to sign into your Apple ID. This should automatically autofill from your iPhone. I recommend doing this directly on your iPhone because we will need to download an app later. Once you've signed in, you'll be asked for two-factor authentication. Once that's done, you'll be brought to this page. Then click Enroll Today. Then at the bottom, click Download on the App Store. Once you download the Apple Developer app, you can sign in and it should give you access to the developer beta. You will not be asked to pay anything. To make sure it's working properly, go to the Account tab and make sure you sign in to the same Apple ID on your iPhone. At the bottom, the Enroll Now button will show us blue, but you don't need to enroll. Once you download the app and signed in, you should be good to go. Go to the Settings app now. From there, scroll down to the General tab and then Software Update. Here you should see a new option for beta updates. Then click the iOS 17 Developer Beta and click Back. Then click Download and Install. Before you install, I recommend backing up your iPhone using iCloud or iTunes in case anything goes wrong. This is a beta version of iOS, so nothing is guaranteed to work properly. Once it's saying update requested, everything should be good to go. Once you've updated, you can see all these new features. One of the first but small features is a new customization for the lock screen. Here you can now change the thickness of the font. Before you couldn't do this, and this is available for all fonts except the last one. There are no other changes to the lock screen for now. Next is the home screen changes. Now you can add more interactions with the widgets. For example, on the Reminders widget, you can directly mark things as done. Another improvement for the home screen is Spotlight Search. Now when searching, there's a new animation when pulling down, and then there's also new cards that show up. So contacts and weather and other apps on your phone will have shortcuts now. Finally, one of the headlining features is the new changes to iMessage. First, when you open the app, you can see that your apps have now moved to the plus icon instead of being on top of your keyboard. Here, there's also new stickers features. Before, it used to be separated into each of the different sticker packs, but now it's consolidated into one tab in the stickers icon. Here you can see all of the built-in emojis, which are now fully stickers, and other apps you've downloaded. Clicking on one will normally send it, and as before, you can also drag and then put it on top of another message. For now, the emoji stickers will not be working since not all devices are updated to iOS 17, but they are available now. As you can see, it did not send properly. One of the other features seen in WWDC is the check-in feature. This is pretty useful if you want to track someone's location and make sure they get home safely. However, it's not working right now. Finally, one of the headline features is the new Contacts Posters feature. You can now select photos and turn them into a lock screen style customized contact poster. You first start by normally choosing a contact photo and then a separate poster photo. This poster photo will be shown whenever you make a call or receive a call from them, and you can customize it similar to how lock screens work. You can change the font style and color, and you can also change the background. Once you save it, you can click continue and it should save, but however in this beta it's not guaranteed to work. And now you can see the new contacts poster feature.